Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. So how you can transfer your data from your mobile smartphone to Windows system, okay, laptop, okay. So how you can do that, and we don't use cable, okay. So data transfer cable, we don't have any data transfer cable. So how we can do that? So just first of all open the settings, okay, open the settings. Then you can see in the left hand side we have an option network and internet, okay, click on this and then you can see the mobile hotspot option, okay. So turn on this option. When you turn on, the hotspot will turn on, okay. So you can see the our hotspot name, Raj laptop, and this is the password, and here we have a QR code. We can scan the QR code and connect our mobile to our laptop, okay. So just turn on, and now I'm going to use my mobile to connect. Okay, so now we opening our Wi-Fi and scan the QR code. Okay, we have scanned our QR code, and my mobile is connected with my laptop. Now open the file manager, okay. Just search here file manager. This is our file manager, and now you can see the three horizontal line in left hand side, okay. So click on FTP, the second option, okay. Now you can start your FTP, okay. So just click on start. When you start it, ask your permission, okay. So click OK. Now we have a address, okay. So we open Explorer, file explorer in our Windows. So now we search the address FTP colon double slash 192.168, okay, 137.66 colon 35331, okay. So now you can see we are accessing the mobile file storage, okay. So just suppose like I want to transfer my some files, okay. So open, I'll just transfer this, okay. So here we have two files. I'll just copy both files and transfer in the desktop. Okay, so the transfer is going to be successful. Okay, it's successful. Now you can see it's successful. So that's it. That's it for today. And I'll see you in the next video. So thank you. Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, please subscribe this channel.